Cystic acne is a severe type of acne that can occur anywhere on the body. It is caused by oil clogging the pores and it can happen to anyone, even babies. But don't worry, we have 2 steps to prevent acne. Let's start quickly. Number 1. Cleaning your skin properly. Use a gentle cleaner made to treat acne. Be sure to select a good acne face or body wash. Start with a typical salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide wash that you could find at a drugstore. Just stick with one type of wash for about a month to see if it works for you or not. Avoid washing your face and body with a bar soap that is not formulated for acne-prone skin. This can be too rough on your skin and can cause a breakout to occur. Wash your face and body 1 to 2 times a day. It is important to keep your skin clean when you are trying to prevent cystic acne. Cleaning removes oil from the skin, which is a cause of cystic acne. Wash your face both morning and night, depending on how oily your skin is. While it can be hard to wash areas of the body other than face more than once a day, it's important to give those areas at least one wash every day. Showering daily and using your cleanser can remove dirt and oil that can cause breakouts or increased acne. Use a toner on your face if you have particularly oily skin. If you have a hard time getting all of the oil off your face, you can use a product made specifically to get rid of it. Toner removes all of the oil and leaves your skin feeling very refreshed and clean. However, alcohol-based toner can be harsh on your skin, so use it sparingly and only once a day. If you have dry skin, this step is not recommended since it can dry out your skin even more. Wash excessive sweat and oil off your skin. If you do an activity that causes you to sweat a lot, such as when you exercise, be sure to clean your skin right afterwards. This will minimize the chances of the oil on your skin clogging your pores. Wash your hair daily if it is excessive oily, as this oil can be transferred onto your skin. Also avoid wearing tight headbands or hats. Number 2. Avoiding flare-ups. Use lightweight moisturizer and makeup. If your skin tends to be dry or sensitive, it's a good idea to use moisturizer. However, you need to be careful about the moisturizer you use. Look for a non-comedogenic or oil-free products for your moisturizers and makeup. A face mask that is non-comedogenic can help also minimize the look of pores. Using a heavyweight moisturizer or thick makeup can fill your pores and cause you to have an outbreak of cystic acne. When a product says it is non-comedogenic, that means that it is formulated not to clog the pores. Talk to dermatologist for suggestions of what moisturizer and makeup products to use. You may also want to consider wearing less makeup on your face if you have cystic acne there. Not wearing makeup on breakouts, for instance, can give your skin time to heal. Determine possible causes for your flare-ups. In order to prevent flare-ups, you need to know what is causing them for your specific skin. Keep track of your diet, schedule, medical conditions, and any products that you are using so you can make connections between your actions and when flare-ups occur. Some common causes include hormonal changes, for example puberty, menopause, menstrual periods, pregnancy, birth control pills, or even stress. Oily or greasy beauty products. Particular drugs, for example steroids, estrogen and testosterone. Sweating and high humidity levels. Aggressive hair removal. Carbohydrates with a high glycemic load such as white bread, rice, pasta and sweets. Avoid touching breakouts with your hands. In order to minimize the chances of flare-ups, you should work on keeping your hands off your face and other areas where you get acne. It can really transfer a lot of oil and dirt onto your face, which can clog your pores and cause a breakout. Also, try not to squeeze or pop your pimples. It can lead to scarring if you do so. Scars stay for a long time and can actually cost a lot of money to remove. This was all for now. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more videos and updates. Thanks for watching.